In this video, you'll learn how to enhance the clarity of images on your Wix website using the built-in editing tools. First, click the Edit Site button from your Wix dashboard to open the editor and begin making changes to your website. Now, open the Add menu in the editor to select the type of content you want to insert. Select Image from the sidebar to add or manage photo elements on your page. Click Add to Page to insert the chosen image so you can start editing and enhancing it. Next, adjust the image's size or position by dragging its corners or clicking to select it, making sure it appears clear and well placed on your page. Keep the image selected for additional enhancements. With the image selected, open the Context menu to explore options like setting it as the background or deleting it if needed. This lets you control how the image interacts with the rest of your design. You can move the image anywhere on the page by dragging it, helping you find the best spot for clarity and impact. Now access the image editing tools by clicking Edit Image in the top toolbar. This opens advanced options to reduce blur and enhance details. Choose Crop Extend, and then click Upscale to instantly improve the image resolution. If the button is disabled, check the tooltip to see if your image exceeds the size limit and adjust as needed. Finally, publish your site to make your new sharp image visible to visitors. You've learned how to fix blurry images in Wix and publish your improvements.